Let's check and see how much it snowed last night. Not very much. It's going to snow 8 feet, 9 feet, whatever, 6 feet. Better start snowing hard pretty soon. Oh, it is starting to snow. It's almost hard to measure how much snow we got last night. Maybe a trace. Mammoth Mountain said they had 1 inch, but I do know that this is 3 feet, and if it's going to snow 6 to 8 feet, it better start snowing pretty hard pretty soon. And I do know that I don't know how much is going to snow over the next several days, and I know that the news media has been hyping this storm, and the definition of hype is excessive publicity and the ensuing commotion. Well, and then I had to look up what commotion means, and that means a condition of turbulent motion. So we are going to have a lot of commotion over the next few days, but I'm just tired of the news media giving it so much hype, thinking that this could be a historical storm. Well, March is roaring in. It is Friday, March the 1st, 2024. Hello, everyone. I'm Jim Can't Predict. I'm Dan McConnell. So let's see, what's going on here? I've got a bunch of notes here. How can this be an historical storm compared to last winter, or 2017, or 96, 97, or 82, 83, or? If you've been around here for any reasonable amount of time, meaning years, we know we've been through storms like this before. So I'm so disappointed, actually, that the meteorologists are hyping this storm when it's their job to discuss the meteorology side of things and not just hype it. Their job is to discuss the weather and try to predict what is to come. Jim can't predict. So we can't expect snow in the area through Sunday, and that's when we'll know how much snow we get by sometime Sunday, when it looks like we'll get part of a break. Mammoth Lakes could see 4 to 6 inches of liquid totals, which could total 4 feet plus of snow, and according to the National Weather Service out of Reno, snow levels will be hovering around 5,000 feet today, dropping to about 4,000 feet on Saturday. And according to the National Weather Service in Hanford, the Sierra from Kings Canyon northward could get 6 to 8 feet in snow levels above 7,000 feet and 4 to 6 feet in the mid elevations. So that's what they're predicting. Like I said, time will tell, and we'll measure it once it's on the ground on Sunday. It was 35 degrees at Mammoth Airport this morning at 7:30 a.m., 29.89 low pressure, 52 degrees in the morning in Bishop. Yeah, it was 52 degrees, barometric pressure down there at 29.86. Temperatures in town today will stay in the low to mid 30s. And up at Mammoth Mountain, it was 16 degrees at the top with south-southwest winds 70 to 80 miles per hour, 20 degrees at the top at 22 with south-southwest wind gusts all the way up to 65. So sometimes during patterns like this, they can get Lincoln Mountain open today, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Mammoth Mountain reported 1 inch of new snow, so the snow plows are standing by, even though I heard them come by my house this morning. And lifts open today will depend on the wind and the weather, mostly the wind. The total snow amount at the main lodge is 232 inches. 232. Last year, on this day, we had 540 total inches of snow. So, compare that. Is this going to be a historical snowstorm? On this day in history, in 1803, Ohio became the 17th state, 1867, Nebraska, the 37th state, and in Nashville in 41 on this day, FM radio began. Great place to start FM radio in Nashville, Tennessee. And Yahoo! Incorporated on this day in 95. It's composer Chopin's birthday today, Glenn Miller, Ralph Waldo Emerson's birthday, Robert Clary of Hogan's Heroes, Robert Conrad of the Wild Wild West, and Roger Daltrey of Who? And Justin Bieber. Who? Also Alyssa Mikulski's birthday, Jamie Knox over at Liberty Sports Bar and Grill, and also their sister business now, the Main Street Pizza and Tap Place. Free music tonight and tomorrow night by the free wind. Yeah, there's a lot of free wind today. Free wind. It was Grateful Dead band, 9 p.m. tonight and tomorrow night over at Liberty Bar. It's Greg Bokenkamp's birthday. Shannon Bagshaw, great cross-country skier friend. Sarah Saturday. Fly high, Sarah. If it's your birthday, happy birthday to you. May you stay in motion and have a little bit of turbulence today and make today the best day ever. Get ready for a historical storm. Seriously, what are these guys doing? Yeah, I don't think the storm has settled in yet because it is clear over the Owens Valley, and again it was 52 degrees in the morning, at least in Bishop.